Hello guys, Thomas&LalaloopsyFan here. I got a product in the mail today. Let's open up and see what it is. Alright, let's open this up here. If I can get you to cooperate with me. Come on. I'm trying my best to open it. Let's take a break on this and see what I got. Now we got the package open. Let's see what we got inside. Bubble wrap out here. I think we got something in here. Got a thank you card here. Let's see what it says in here. Thank you so much. Just again. Thank you so very much for our purchase. Please know that your business is appreciated. From PTS Locker. That's awesome. And what will be in here? I'll show you after the break. Also, here's the order form for this one. Now let's go ahead and see what we got inside. Oh yeah, there's the inside of the box. Okay. Let's try that. Now we got the box out here. Let's unravel this bubble wrap. And what we got is the mini Lalaloopsy class picture set. It was available at Toys R Us, which sadly closed down in 2018 because they went out of business in 2018. Anyways, you can see the characters: Spot Splash Splash, Jewel Sparkles, Dot Starlight, Peanut Big Top, He Spells a Lot, Pillow Feather Bed, Vince Fluff and Stuff, and Crumb Sugar Cookie. And this is a pretty good product that I got here. And let's see what it looks like when we open all this up. Also, here's the back of the box right here. Okay, we got the characters out. Now let's get them out of this box here. Also, we can see a chalkboard saying School of Fun. And those are the 8 Lalaloopsy dolls that I have now. This is Thomas&LalaloopsyFan here. Sign off. Have a great day.